Welcome. Today I'm showing you the easiest way to make money on YouTube, even if you don't show your face, and even if you've never made a video before. Let's get right into it. Most people think you need a huge personality, expensive equipment, or years of editing experience to make money on YouTube. That's no longer true. Thanks to AI tools, templates, and faceless formats, the easiest way to make money on YouTube today is by creating simple videos that bring in revenue month after month. The big secret is you don't actually need to be a YouTuber in the traditional sense. The easiest method is building what's called a faceless value channel. These are channels that deliver information, entertainment, or helpful content using voiceovers, AI visuals, text videos, animations, or stock footage. They grow fast because people don't watch for your personality, they watch for the value. Think about channels focused on finance and wealth, tech motivational clips, AI facts, mystery and storytelling, productivity tips, or business breakdowns. These channels can get monetized quickly and scale even faster because the content is the star. So, why is this so easy today compared to a few years ago? Simple. You don't need to record yourself. You don't need a fancy camera. And you don't need perfect editing skills. All you need is a script, B-roll clips, or AI-generated shots, and a consistent upload schedule. AI voiceovers, auto-editing tools, and vast libraries of free stock footage make this entire process easier than ever. You can literally go from an idea to a finished video in a fraction of the time it used to take. That's why thousands of channels are quietly making anywhere from $500 to $10,000 a month without ever showing their face. Here's how you can start your own faceless channel today in just 3 simple steps. First, pick an evergreen topic. This means choosing something people search for all year round, like wealth, motivation, tech, interesting facts, or tutorials. Second, write a simple 1 to 3 minute script. Your videos don't need to be long, especially when you're starting out. The goal is consistency and clarity, not long-form documentaries. And third, use AI tools to edit quickly. With the right software, you can create a full video with AI voiceovers and high-quality visuals in under an hour. Now, how do you actually make money from this? There are several ways you'll earn money through ad revenue once you're monetized. You can also include affiliate links in your descriptions for products you recommend. As you grow, you can sell your own digital products, secure sponsorships, and even offer channel memberships for exclusive content. You don't need millions of views on every video. You just need a library of videos that people search for and watch every single day. So, the easiest way to make money on YouTube is simple. Create faceless, evergreen videos that give value. YouTube handles finding the audience for you. Your job is to handle the consistency. Subscribe for more strategies to grow your online income and build real wealth in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for watching.